Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back with week 3. Yes, we're 3 weeks in. All right, so here we go. Once again, this is the hashtag I would like for you to use. Hobby Lobby Challenge. That's what that HLC stands for. 3, which is the third round with Mo. All right, and so this is where I challenge you to use those red clearance sticker items or orange, whatever you want to call it. I say red, but use those clearance sticker items. Whatever you purchase, you can use in this challenge. I am concentrating on mostly dies. So you use whatever you'd like to use. All right, let's jump right in. All right, so I'm going to set this right here. You can take a gander at that. Here goes the die set that I am using. It's the Tim Holtz, and I want to say it is Brushstroke Flowers #1. And that's what I'm using. So glad I picked that up because, oh, I thought this card was just beautiful. All right, so let me show you some of the other things I'm using. I am using this here from Honeybee Stamps. This here from Reverse Confetti. And way back with this one, I am using Thank You for Your Friendship from Hero Arts. I don't even know what year 2010. That is way back. But it's a nice stamp set. Really nice. All right. Now let's jump right in and show you how this looks a little bit more close. Now I did use some Distress Oxide inks to go around some of the pieces here, and I forgot what colors I used, but yes, I used that. I did layer a craft background piece of paper underneath the reverse confetti die there, and then added some sequins around. And I used the ink that I used here is the Claire VersaFine ink. I love that ink. But I thought that turned out really pretty. In the inside, once again, I forgot to get the dashes rectangles from Elizabeth Crafts to show you how that looks. But yes, I thought that turned out beautiful. I absolutely love this card. And it's a little blurry, I think. Oops. But anyways, yes, so that's my card for this week. So if you would like to enter, make sure you use the hashtag HLC3 with Mo so that we can come over and visit you and see what you've been creating with your red clearance sticker items. And make sure you enter, because I am doing a giveaway at the end, and I probably within the next week or two. We'll probably go for at least one more week, possibly two. Because I still have a couple more dies to use. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.